Residents in Northeast Missouri got the chance to hear from Ameren regarding its Northern Missouri Grid Transformation Program this week. While Ameren officials explained why they believe this project is a necessity, the majority of the community members attending said they disapprove of it. Here's more on the future plans and where the residents stand.
In order to have reliable power, that whenever ultimately customers go to flip their light switch, that the lights come on, we have to make sure that we have adequate capacity to transfer the energy across the system ultimately to the end-use customers.
The Denny Zachary Maywood Thomas Hill line project is a 345 kilovolt line project that will see major change in Northeast Missouri. Jackie Becker, Ameren's Vice President of Transmission, told me that the energy grid covers our part of the country. She says right now is a good time to do this project because the current power grid was built in the 1900s and is aging and in need of repairs.
I think we're in an environment right now where there's just a large energy transition. A lot of the existing power plants are also getting older and something needs to be done with them. And so what you're seeing is a transition in the energy.
Community members brought up multiple concerns about this project, including the impact on health, agriculture, and landowner rights. Shannon Nixon, a fairly new La Plata resident, shared why she moved to Northeast Missouri.
I myself have had very significant health issues over the last 5 years, and I was looking for somewhere where I could work on recovering my health, a healthy environment to live in.
Nixon and Regina Bambrick Rust raised concerns about the impact electromagnetic fields have on human and wildlife health. EMFs can appear when there are power lines or solar farms nearby. And according to the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, they are invisible areas of energy referred to as radiation.
The environmental impacts and impact on human health and the EMFs, and I just think it's kind of like an invisible poison that's coming more and more into our reality, that I think that, I just want people to be more aware of that impact.
During the town hall, Ameren was straightforward about not being medical or health professionals. However, they did assure residents that they have looked into these concerns and have no reason to think it could be detrimental to anyone's health.
Ameren relies on public health officials to study the effects of EMF, which is presumably what they were concerned about. And the public health officials are the ones that complete the studies and do the analysis to determine whether there is an impact. And their guidance at this time is that there is not a negative impact to public health.
Another issue brought up was that landowners feel like they have no power in this decision. Ameren says that they want to have conversations with community members and come to fair agreements with landowners. However, some residents still don't think their voices are being heard.
I don't think we should just let corporations who are being driven by greed make decisions for our lives and just let it, just let that happen to us without saying anything.
As controversial as this issue seems, I asked Ameren why this project wasn't put on any election ballot.
I mean, in general, this is an energy grid issue, and so, this is our opportunity to engage with the public, and so that's exactly why we're having these open houses, is to really hear that feedback. I think that's one of the things that you probably heard throughout the presentation and the comments today, was that ultimately we want to get that feedback. We want to have that conversation with the landowners to continue driving forward to a solution that minimizes the impact to each individual landowner.
Community members have already discussed how to bring more awareness to their concerns. They told me they plan to reach out to Senator Josh Hawley, Congressman Sam Graves, and State Senator Cindy O'Laughlin.